Hello there everyone and welcome along to Rugeley Town Station. Hello! Hello! Hey friend, look. Hey friend, say hello. Meow. Hello, we'll give you a fuss, shall we? We're at Rugeley Town Station. Well, we give that Moggy a fuss, and we're finally going to get done these Class 730s, because we're on our way down to Wales today, so I thought, why not, that cat's trying to get on the train. He's trying to get on the train. Thought, why not give him a whirl? So we're just waiting for the 6:53 to come in, which will take us to Birmingham New Street, and then hopefully it's on from there. We'll see if these 730s are actually any good properly. I've got to imagine they're not, but something's telling me they might be.
This is Rugeley Town. Welcome aboard this Western train service. We will be calling at
So we
Pensford,
are on the train now. It is 7:30:037, which is hilarious because if you spin that around, you'll find out why.
Adderley Park,
And this announcement is rather loud.
Marston Green.
It's also rather annoying at
International.
the same time. So, first impressions, because these units, these Class 730 Adventurer units, are what is essentially replacing the Class 323s on the Cross City Line, or have replaced, I should say.
The next stop will be Pensford.
Thank you. And these were built as supposed commuter units, the new commuter units for the Cross City Line. However, I do see some issues with them being the brand new commuter units from the Cross City Line. The first of those issues is they have tables. Now, if these were supposed to be high capacity units, so they are high capacity units, because if you have a look down there, you can see it's a lot more gangway space between seats. It's still 2+2 in some places, it's 2+1 in other places. But you've also got these seats at the side here, which fold in. I'm in the bicycle area right now. And for me, if you were having a commuter unit, because these are also going to be replacing the 350s on this line as well, you don't put tables in. You really don't put tables in. That's my first thought of them. But yeah. We'll see what we think of them as we go along. Should point out there is only one toilet on the 730 Adventurer set, and there it is. It is a disabled access toilet. We just check down the other end, make sure there aren't any more tables, because we have lots of gangway space down that way. We do have these boards here, but this one isn't working, unfortunately. The one down there is barely working. Barely working. That sounds like an advert for West Midlands trains already. Barely working. So this is this right here. This seat arrangement here is something new for the 730s. Fold-up seats in the middle coach, around where the disabled toilet is. Supposedly this is for well, you would have thought this would be for the bike spaces, but I think this is more the disabled access space, if you think about it, because we do actually have seating sort of in front of there, which has bike space in, so you can get your bikes in over there. Do we have charge points? Because that's the one thing I have not seen yet. Yes, we have charge points. So these are the charging arrangements right here. So you've got 2 USB sockets and 1 plug socket. Is there a plug? If I put it between my legs, there's the plug socket under your seat. So again, you've got 2 USB sockets, and you've got your plug portal as well for charging things on the go. Which reminds me, I need to charge my red phone. I'll tell you the one thing that's actually impressing me about these Adventurers. When I first rode on them, the seats didn't feel right for the unit work that they were doing. Now that
We are now
we're approaching
Pensford.
Pensford railway station, they actually feel not too bad.
Please mind the
Yes,
gap
they're
when leaving the
a
train
little,
and step onto the platform before removing heavy
yeah, they're a little
luggage and
hard on the
pushchairs.
back, but on where the torso sits, that's actually quite very comfortable. The only issue I really do have with the seats is they're very, very narrow, which I think is an issue with the 196s as well that we had off. No, we had the 196s off CAF. These are off Bombardier. These 730 units. But yeah, definitely strange these having these on here instead of the 350s. Well, strange in my opinion, anyway. Alright folks, you know what time it is? It's Wi-Fi test time. See if there is working Wi-Fi on this this class 730. Ooh, that's good. That's good. Let me I'm pretty sure you can't see my email address from there. I'm pretty sure we're on the Wi-Fi. That was quick. That was very, very quick. I've actually moved into one of these fold-down seats. They're actually more comfortable than those seats. That's saying something. I feel sorry for you people having to see this dump. Especially this brand new unit as well.
Will be Landywood.
I'll tell you the one thing that I'm noticing so far. That's another thing I should point out as well. The Adventurer units that we've got over here are different from the 710 and the 720s that Greater Anglia C2C and London Overground have had, because we only have door opening, we don't have door closing. So these are proper DOO operated units. So there's the LED screen there. Tells you what carriage number this is, so we're in the middle carriage. Birmingham International, next stop is Walsall. Unlucky. There's some of the stops we've got en route. Still telling we've got to stop at Cambridge and Birmingham New Street. And then says Birmingham International once again. And there's the loading information. Apparently one of the coaches is already full. That's not good. So according to the loading screen, or the LED board I should say, in this carriage is full. Really? Doesn't look full to me. Sun's starting to come up. Blech. Hope it's not going to be one of those days today where it's dull and miserable. think we must be approaching Birmingham.
Speak to staff or text the British Transport
So
Police
just checking
on
out the
61016.
toilet.
We'll sort it.
Inside the
See
interior.
it, say it,
The
sort it.
door locking button's a lot different because now you've lost the little flip handle that said whether it was locked or not. You've got two mirrors. Look, there's one there and then there's one right behind me as well. Soap water dryer. I think the dryer was working very nicely. Indeed it was. That's giving out nice warm air. I did come in here for some tissue. And it's very hard to pull the tissue out, unfortunately. Don't know why that is. Who is that Pendolino? We'd soon find out, wouldn't we?
This is Birmingham New Street.
I'm gonna line that way. And just like that, folks, as 390-129 makes its way down to London, we've arrived at Birmingham. Ada, I still don't know. After all this time, I still don't know whether these are the right replacements for the 323s. Don't get me wrong, in some aspects they are an upgrade on the Class 323. For example, with their better seat, with their charging points, their better commuter responsibility and whatnot. But I really do feel that the 323s were a lot better in some respects. Though the ride quality of them is fantastic. The Chase Valley line is notorious for being very rough and very bouncy. This thing took those bumps no problem. Absolutely no problem at all. There's another Pendolino coming on the other side. I think it's 390-141. That's who it is. So yeah, at the moment these units are on Cross City Line, Chase Valley Line sporadically, and they're also on Walsall Wolverhampton and also services out of London Euston while they're covering for the 730-2s which are yet to come into service. But overall, I don't think they're the right unit to replace the 323s. I just feel like they've tried to make it a express unit at the same time as being a commuter unit. That's honestly how I feel about them, and I don't think that's right. They've almost tried to copy the 196s in some respects. So all that remains to say is, would I say that?
15 minutes.
Would I say yes to the 730s? No, I would say definitely not for the Cross City line, but I would say definitely yes to other lines, if that makes sense. So thank you all, hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so. Thank you as well to the channel members. Your continued support of the channel does mean the absolute world to me. If you want to become a member like all the other legends, it's $3.99 for a membership. You get the vlogs early, you get shouted out at the end of videos. It's all good in the hood. This thing's just about to leave off to Birmingham International. I'm now off to go film another vlog that you'll have already seen, because you'll have already seen it. But as the 7:30 is about to leave, we'll see you all next time.
This is a platform alteration for 0739 Transport for Wales service to Birmingham International will now depart from platform 2A. With 07, 39 Transport for Wales service